Hi there, welcome back to a morning yoga flow. If you want to start your day in a really high vibe and want to be very proactive throughout the day, then this video is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, come on your knees, tuck your toes, or just point them back. Sit over your heels where your hips are touching over the heels. Place your palms over the knees. Close your eyes if you haven't already. And then just allow yourself to be present with your breath. That means you just observe how you inhale and exhale. This will help you to center. And after a couple of rounds, just stand on your knees, open your eyes, and shake your hands and start moving your shoulder backward. Every time you exhale, you try to rotate your shoulder back and then forward. Keep your spine straight like water is falling from the back. You don't have to worry for anything else apart from moving your shoulder at this moment. And then interlock your fingers right next to the hips at the back and stretch them to best of your capabilities. Stretch it back, maybe point both the index fingers together. Keep pushing it back and then bring both the palms together in front of the body by interlocking them and breathe over here. Release the arms and then bring the right foot where your knees are foot in a line. Start stretching your heel and then coming to your toes and to your heel by changing the stance one at a time. Let your knee go a little beyond and do the same from the left side. Press the toe, press the heel. Do that 3 to 4 rounds. Breathe nicely. Take the wall support to have a better stance. And then from here, keep your knees bent slightly and have hands in front of the body next to your feet or in front of the feet. And then bend the knees and lengthen the hamstring. Bend, straighten, and maybe grab your elbows and try practicing ragdoll from side to side. It's okay to keep your knees bent still and continuing to breathe throughout. From here, very gently have a support at the back of the knee and gently stand tall. Hands at the hips or at the back. Come on your toes. Stretch, stretch. Lengthen your spine. Make yourself feel little taller. And with control, bring the heel down. You can also place the hands to the sides and lift, hold, exhale, lower down. Now from here, bend the right knee, bring knee and hips parallel, push the toe back, bend the left knee and try to find the right moment to stretch the knee forward and backward and make a really nice stretch for your hamstring while engaging the core throughout. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale, release. Inhale, bring the left foot and push it back. Inhale, bring the knee parallel to the belly Exhale, push it back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and then release. Place your feet hip width apart. Roll your shoulders out and stand tall. Now from here, bring the palm down. Place both the feet one at a time at the back and try to get into a strong high plank. Keep your body straight in a line. Keep looking in between the thumb or ahead and continue breathing. Exhale, lower down the knees. Push the hips back to the heel. Again, exhale. Inhale, plank. Hold it there and keep breathing. Exhale, lower down the knees. Push the hips back. Inhale, exhale, and inhale back to the plank. Continue breathing and then exhale and lower down the knees. Again, push the hips back. And this time with inhale, you try pushing the body forward by bending the elbow and trying to be a little strong in the upper body. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale, do it 5 to 10 rounds to make yourself really energetic and strong. And then exhale, sit upright in Vajrasana. Now from here, place palms in the mat and lift the knees up. Place your heels hip width apart or a little lesser than that and try paddling your each knee at a time. Keep looking between the thumb and continuing to hold the downward facing dog by changing the legs. And if you feel strong enough, try to hold the downward facing dog. And remember to breathe nicely. Look at the navel or over the yoga mat or in between the heel. And remember to breathe. Breathe nicely. Exhale. Bring the right foot forward. Place the right elbow over the right knee. And extend the back leg. Place the right palm if you can reach there. And gently stretch the left hand to the side or above the head. You can look at the lifted hand or right in front of your body and continue to breathe. Exhale. Gently lower down the left knee. Hands for the support at the wall or at the hips. And with inhale, lift both the hands up. Give a gentle back bend to your spine. And then exhale, bring both the hands to the floor. Now, change the side. Keep the stance intact and keep the left knee 90-degree angle. Place the right elbow over the right knee. Extend the left hand and hold. Keep breathing. Exhale and change side to the left side. Now Stretch the right feet. Place left elbow over the left knee. Hold it up there, and once you are comfortable, lower down the left palm. Extend the right hand to the side or above your head and look in front or above your head. Hold it up there. Breathe. And then lower down the right knee again and hold the Anjaneyasana. Inhale, hands goes up, gentle back bend. And then exhale. Now place your right knee down, left leg to the side, left elbow over left knee. Extend and stretch the right arm to the side and exhale. And then from here get on to all your fours. Now inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine. And practice 5 to 10 rounds of cat and cow pose. And then exhale. Inhale, extend the right arm. Exhale, practice thread the needle. Hold the pose, keep your hips facing the ceiling. Exhale, release. Inhale, change your side and get into thread the needle from the other side. Breathe. And then exhale and release. Now sit up straight in Vajrasana. Now from here, lie down over your belly on the yoga mat. Keep your toes pointed at the back. Keep your hands to the side. Now bring the palms right next to your shoulder. Prepare yourself for the back bend. Inhale, you just see how you are feeling right now, and then inhale and you lift up and keep looking forward and keep breathing. Exhale, release. Now bend both the knees. Press it to over your heels and breathe. And then exhale, extend the legs at the back. Stretch them as far and down as possible. Relax. Now from here, fold the knees. Get into a child pose where you lower down your hips as down as close to your heels and try to stretching the arms really straight and as far as you can go deeper in the stretch will be great. Keep your knees a little wider than your hip width apart for better comfort and better stretchability. And just collect all the energy which you have gathered through this practice, through this relaxation. Use your breath to feel relaxed and to be ready to face your day. Let all the lethargy and discomfort just stay away from you. Let your body feel relaxed and present. Stay here in this pose for as long as you have time, and through this pose try to focus on your inhalations as well as exhalations. And whenever you feel ready, you can end this practice and start your day on a very positive note with all the energy. Also, tell yourself a big thank you for showing up for your body and to start your day in such a vibrant manner. I hope you had a good time practicing with me and you continue to practice every morning to get benefited out of it. And if you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye bye.